Good morning and welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. Today we need to tidy because I don't know what I do. Everything just becomes a mess and I'm not in it, so I don't know what. And then we've got to pack. Oh, hello. Because I'm having a sleepover tomorrow at a friend's house. We'll have a few drinks. I will be vlogging. Don't know how much. It may stop. It may be a short vlog tomorrow. But yeah, and then we're gonna take you food shopping. See what I can get in Tesco's, because I love Tesco clothes at the moment. But yeah, let's do a time lapse of me cleaning, and then we'll have some dinner, get sorted. When do I pack? What time is it? Oh, it's only 10:30. So by the time I clean, half pack, because I don't actually know what I'm wearing tomorrow. And then dinner, and then food, shopping. So yeah, let's go. I have cleaned the room partially, but now it's time to pack. I like to put it on so I remember what I put in. So what do I need? Pyjamas, got those. Clothes for tomorrow. What am I doing? Clothes for the next day. What am I doing? I think me and Hannah might go and see Carol singing in Grasmere. Not Ambleside of Grasmere, one of them. So I might put something. I will put something nice on. I might put my leather jeans. I haven't worn my leather pants yet, so I might put those on. With a Christmas jumper. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh god, it's like nice and festive. Oh, and I can wear my green New Balance. Lovely. Just get some underwear to go with that. That's thick. So that's the next. Oh, socks. Before I forget. Really tucked. No. Right. Next thing, makeup. Oh. I'll take a cleansing balm cloth. I don't know where I've put my handheld mirror. Anyhow. Get some makeup in. Foundation, bronzer. That's all I can put in for now. Skincare. There you go. I'm driving through, so what I can't fit in the bag, I will just put in the car and carry it in. That's done for now. Put that there. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Oh, 10 to 12. I've also realised I've not had a cup of tea this morning, so I'll make one of those first. Food shopping, but also your Brussels sprouts in. Hee. Traffic was manic getting home, but good news is Dad has brought home the Christmas tree the real one. Let's go and have a look.
It's tiny, Mum.
What's that?
No way. The dark mornings actually really do like bum me out a bit, I'm not gonna lie.
And you're
That is day 8 complete. Childer. It is getting better. We've got Edinburgh, we've got afternoon tea, we've got carol singing. So that's my Christmas Eve plan. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.